Lagos and Abuja may be home to some of Nigeria's wealthiest, but beneath the noise and the rush lies a deeper truth. A home away from home. A place where culture never dies and the heritage of our fathers stand tall. Now, imagine a community that mirrors that spirit. A space built to hold memories, to nurture families, and to preserve identity. Welcome to Heritage Estate.
It's gonna be alright. How can you tell?
Heritage Estate isn't just another property. It's a residential haven designed for those who desire cultural pride, modern comforts, and long-term value in the heart of Enugu. Sharing proximity with the Maduka University, Bio-Research Institute, Uogo-Nike Roundabout, and police quarters, you're not only right positioned, but strategic. Own a home away from home today. Invest in Heritage Estate.